Hi, it's starting out with Wave Oven Recipes. I just wanted to talk a little about oil and air frying, because I know you all see those advertisements for all the air fryers and they say, oh, you can have great tasting food that's fried with air and no oil. And some of you see when I'm doing my air frying, I spray the exterior of the things that I put breading on and such with some cooking spray. And people ask, well, why are you putting oil on it? You know, like it's some type of foul thing to do or something. But here's the deal. If you want to be able to use the breadings that you're used to having with your fried food that tastes real good, and you want that same type of taste from an air fryer, then you're going to have to put some oil. I usually use cooking spray. It's just real easy to spray the exterior. Put some oil on the exterior that it's easier with the sprayer. You can just spray it on and it coats things without disturbing your breading at all, so you get that nice coat. And that's what things fry in an air fryer. Once that heat hits that oil, things fry up and you get a product that people can't even tell came from an air fryer. If you don't do that, you're going to have like a lot of white blotches and whatnot. If you don't use the cooking spray, you have to use breadings that are already wet and other types of formulations that aren't the same type that you'd be used to from a traditional fryer or a deep fryer. And those types of breadings and things, they're just not going to, in my opinion, everybody has an opinion. In my opinion, just don't have the same flavor as the breading that you're used to having. So if you want that same nice flavor that you would have in deep frying without actually deep frying, you spray some cooking spray oil on the exterior and you air fry. It comes out fabulous. It tastes great. So that's really just a little something to answer the question, to help those who are thinking about getting the air fryer or getting the air frying, and you hear all that hype about no oil. Well, it's true, no oil, but at the same time, there's a trade-off if you really go without oil, and that is that you can't use the breadings that you're used to using with deep frying. Also, when it comes to the oil in the air fryer, you want to use a little with your French fries. It gives them a nice, more crispiness, helps hold on to all the seasonings and hold those on real well. If you're cooking like fresh French fries, you want to put some oil on those. If you're doing like frozen French fries, you don't need to put any oil on those. But fresh French fries, if you're cutting them yourself and from raw potatoes, yeah, put a little oil on them. Get some oil, a little oil coating all over them, and then you can hold your seasonings or put your salt or whatever seasonings you want on there, and it'll hold real nice. And then when things cook up, it'll be some real nice French fries from an air fryer. So those are some of the tips and tricks you have to do to get the product from the air fryer that can be on level with a traditional deep fryer. And so, if this advice helped you, you can definitely give this video a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, leave your comments. You can subscribe to the channel, please. There are plenty of recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Direct access to this YouTube channel and all its content is through waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. The Patreon's patreon.com/waveovenrecipes. And so I wish you continued good eating.